Good morning children, this is Sumalatha, Maths teacher of Kakatiya Public School. Today I am continuing the same fractions topic in the types of fractions. Types of fractions. Here, types of fractions. First, I am telling you first unit fraction. So here, which type of fractions are called unit fractions, children? Unit fractions means if the numerator is 1, okay, in the fraction, if numerator is 1, then that type of fractions are called unit fractions. For example, here you see here 1 by 2, 1 by 9, 1 by 200, 1 by 536. These type of fractions are called unit fractions, children. Once again, if the numerator is 1, so that type of fractions are unit fractions. Whatever the denominator, children, here we have to see the only numerator, it should be 1. So 1 by 2, 1 by 9, 1 by 200, 1 by 500, something here. 536. So this type of fractions are unit fractions. Proper fractions, children. Next fraction is proper fractions. Proper fraction means what here? If the numerator is smaller than the denominator, it means numerator is smaller than denominator. Numerator is smaller than the denominator means that type of fractions are called proper fractions. Examples here. Look at the example here. 2 by 5, 17 by 23, 15 by 220. These all are the proper fractions. Why? Because here 2 is smaller than the 5. Here 17 numerator is smaller than the 23 denominator. 15 is smaller than the 220. So these type of fractions are called proper fractions. Next one is improper fraction, children. Improper fraction means if the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Here numerator is greater or equal to denominator. So numerator is greater or equal to denominator means that type of fractions are called improper fractions. Come on, have a look at the examples here. 7 by 5, 12 by 6, 3 by 1, 15 by 15, 20 by 20. These all are the examples for the improper fraction. See here, 7 by 5. 7 is greater than the 5 means it's improper. 12 by 6. 12 is greater than the 6, so improper. 3 by 1. 3 is greater than the 1. So improper. 15 by 15. Greater or equal, I said. Here coming to this example, both are equal. Numerator and denominator number both are equal, children. So this type of fraction also called improper only. Here also 20 by 20. So both, if when you get the numerator and denominator are same, so that type of fractions also called improper fractions. So numerator is greater or equal to the denominator means that are improper fractions. Next fractions are mixed fraction, children. Mixed fraction means the combination of proper fraction and whole number. Means the combination of whole number and proper fraction. Proper fraction. So whole number means what, children? Here see, from 0 to all numbers are the whole number. Means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This all numbers comes under the whole numbers only. And proper fraction. Already I told you proper means numerator should be smaller than the denominator. So these two combination fraction is called mixed fraction. Come on, let us see the examples here. 1 whole number I have taken and 2 by 5. See here, 1 is a whole number, children, and 2 by 5. Coming to this, 2 by 5 is a proper fraction. So it means 2 is smaller than the 5 means it's a proper fraction and it's 1 whole number. So combination of these two is a mixed fraction. So some more examples, let's see, children. 25, 30 by 60. 25 is a whole number and 30 by 60 is a proper fraction. 30 is smaller than 60, no? So 30 by 60 is a proper fraction and 25 is a whole number. Once again I am repeating, mixed fraction means the combination of whole number and proper fractions. So these are the examples, children. Like fractions. Like fractions means what here? The denominator. If the denominators and like fractions, children, we to say the given fraction is like fraction or not, how we can say here means if the fractions are more than the one fractions, then only we can say the given fractions are like or not. Means to know the fractions are like or not, we need more than the one fraction, children. And more than the one fraction, how we should take here? With the same denominator. Fractions with the same denominator. So what it is? Fractions. Like fractions means fractions with same denominator. Same denominators. Here we require more than the one fraction to say the fractions of like here. So here examples, have a look at here. Now 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 1 by 5, 20 by 5. Come on, here, look here. All fractions, I have taken here more than the one fractions. And look at this, all fractions. 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 1 by 5. 20 by 5. For this all fractions we have the same denominator 5, 5, 5, 5. So this type of, the set of the fraction is called like fractions. Unlike fractions here. Unlike fractions means here also we require more than the one fraction. Means if we have the set of the fractions, then only we can say the given fractions are like unlike. Unlike fractions are not. So here, how we can define that? Fractions with different denominator. Different denominator. Fractions with different denominators are called unlike fractions. Let's see the examples given here. 1 by 3. 1 by 9, 2 by 7, 13 by 15. See, have a look at these examples. Here given more than the one fraction, and what I told you here, fraction with a different denominator. I am telling about only denominators. I am not discussing about the numerators. Means either the numerators same or different. It's no problem. We should check its denominators only. Come on, 1 by 3, 1 by 9. Here numerators are same, but coming to denominators, different. We require denominators only. And 2 by 7, 13 by 15. So all denominators you check here, 3, 9, 7, 15. All denominators are different, children. So this type of fractions are called unlike fractions. Yes, children. I hope you understood the types of fractions which I explained in the video. Now I give the worksheet based on that. Come on, have a look at here. Write unit, proper, improper and mixed fractions from the following. Here I gave here some unit, some proper, some improper, some mixed fraction, children. You need to separate that. How? Unit fraction means you keep the side heading of unit fractions and you write here what are the unit fractions, which one is a numerator in the place. So search where are the unit fractions. Okay. And coming to proper, side heading you keep. Proper means what? Numerator is smaller than the denominator. No, you search where the numerators are smaller than the denominator, in which fractions. So write that. And next, improper, keep the side heading. Improper means what? Numerator is greater than the denominator or equal to the denominator. You search where the numerators are greater than the denominator, and also you search the where the numerators are equal to the denominator. You write in that improper fraction, that fractions. Now coming to mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means combination of proper fraction and improper fraction. Means combination of whole number and proper fractions. You search where are the combinations of whole numbers and proper fractions. You write in that mixed fractions. Okay. Coming to this problem, write like and unlike fractions from the following. Which are here? Like, to know the like and unlike, we need the more than the one. Means set up the fractions we need here to say. Now I gave three problems. Like fractions means what? With the same denominator. Unlike fractions means what? With a different denominator. You search which sets are like fractions and which sets are unlike fractions. Thank you, children.